Well, YouTube Shorts is a growing platform on YouTube that is getting a very wide recognition all around the world. And if you want to know how you can upload YouTube Shorts, you are in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can upload YouTube Shorts on YouTube. So first, what you have to do is open your YouTube app and then click on the home icon. And then you will see an interface like this. And then simply click on the plus icon that is normally used to upload videos. Simply click on and then click on the video like live, post, or short. So you and then click on next, done, wait for it to process. After the video, and then click on next and add the necessary details and upload the shot. You can change the visibility from public to private, change the location, if the audience is made for kids or not, and then simply write the title of your video and upload. So this is it on how to upload YouTube Shorts. So if you found this video, make sure to like and subscribe.